I put it here. I will ask one student try to help me on this demo. Ken. Oh, you already stand up. Okay, so the demo is like that. I stand here and you stand over there. Just stand here, please. And then we will work over there. Assuming the same speed. Okay, don't run. Okay, just a step by step. I will follow you according to your speed. And then we will see which one will reach the end over there, right? That stair. Okay, you ready? Yeah, just the regular. Yeah, just go ahead. So I have to sit down here and then go back here. Yeah, just go ahead. Okay. So first, tell me who is faster. Ken is faster, obvious, right? So then the question is why, he's faster. The second question. Because I have a stair to step on and then get back. Okay, so then the third question is, thank you. The third question is, if anyone wants to tell me what is this demo related to, something in chapter 16, the concept we have just learned. As you send it, first raise your hand.